I connected this screen, this one, to ESP32 SuperMini. There is not much wiring. The green one is 1, 2, 3, 4th from this side. 4th is SDA. The green one goes to SDA. Then yellow one goes to SCL. And the black one is G. Black one I connected to G, and it goes to G and D. And the red one is 3.3 volts. Here goes to VCC. So only 4 wires, and this animation goes from this array. This array is the picture. It's like an array of pixels. Yeah, huge array. And I took this from this side. It generated me the whole code with this massive array. I can choose any animation, and it gives me code. But 2 important things here is that by default it goes with D, screen I2C address. It goes with D, but I changed it to C. I don't know, maybe in your case should be D, but in my case it didn't work without C. And the second thing is this line very important if you want to see something in the console log. Without this line, when I do serial print something, is not working. This line is kind of waiting for serial to be activated.